Regular checks will ensure that your bike brings you hundreds of happy miles, and as the weather gets worse, so will the wear and tear increase on your bike too. We've put together our top 5 checks to make on your bike to keep it in tip-top condition. Give everything a thorough tighten and check, including light fittings, handlebar and your saddle. If you've got quick releases, make sure they're all in the closed position. Nothing will shorten the life of your drivetrain faster than a grit-filled, grimy chain, so make sure you regularly clean and lube it. If there isn't enough air pressure in your tyres, you'll probably know all too soon during your ride. But make sure you carry out regular pressure checks. And while you're at it, give your spokes a little feel too. Make sure there aren't any loose ones. We don't need to tell you how important a good set of healthy brakes are. So if you've got a bike like this and it's got disc brakes on, make sure there's plenty of life left in the pads. And make sure that the rotor isn't rubbing on the pads. And if you've got a bike with traditional brakes on it, make sure there's plenty of life left in the brake block. And make sure that the brake block isn't rubbing on the wheel or the tyre. If your cycling kit is wrong, your bike is going nowhere. So make sure that your light batteries are charged, your helmet is in good shape, and that your spares are all there too. We've shared with you a few of our top tips. Now we want to hear yours. Please leave your comments in the section below.